Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another episode of Meal Prep Sunday. Let me tell you what's going on today. I went to Costco and I actually recorded a Costco haul for y'all and I'm really excited to post it, but I still have to edit. For today, what I have is a rotisserie chicken that I just picked up at Costco along with some vegetables, and I'm just going to roast everything, cut up this rotisserie chicken, put it in our containers, and this will be our meal prep for the week. So I picked up this rotisserie chicken at Costco today for $4.99. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be cutting it all up and I'll add it to my meal prep containers along with some vegetables that I got there as well that I'll be roasting for the week. So I got this bag of sweet potatoes. Ever since fall started, I've been craving sweet potatoes. I haven't had it in a minute. So I'm going to be making this as well as Brussels sprouts and green beans. Other than the rotisserie chicken, I also picked this up at Costco and I'm going to be using one of these packs. This chicken and apple sausage. It comes with 3 packs. I'm only going to be using one of this, just so I have a nice variety for the whole week. It's going to be, some of the containers will be with sausage, some of the containers will be with the rotisserie chicken, and I am actually going to be making another video very soon for you guys showing at least 4 different ways to use rotisserie chicken to meal prep. When I started meal prepping about 2 years ago, I used a lot of rotisserie chicken because I was not very good at cooking chicken. My chicken breast would always come out super dry. So I developed a bunch of little recipes to use this to make, because it's actually super affordable and it's good quality meat. So I use this to make a chicken fried rice that is really good. There is also a creamy avocado chicken salad that is really good. It goes amazing on a sandwich or on some crackers as a snack. So I'm going to be putting up a video for you guys with that very soon. Stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get to today's video. Well everyone, this is it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know in the comments down below how you like this recipe. As soon as I post my Costco haul video, I'm going to be adding the link down below as well, so you can go check that out. Other than that, I wish you the most amazing week. May you crush your goals, and I'll see you next weekend with another meal prep video. Bye.